Meanwhile, a House bill has been filed to allow qualified students to skip senior high school. What's your take on this as the Education Secretary?
Well, I think yung pagkaintindi ko dun sa House bill, may pathway siya for qualified senior high school students to leave. Hindi na siya kung college ready na siya, hindi na siya mag-grade 11 or 12. Sa akin, okay naman yun kasi we must give, the more pathways we have for our students, the better.
Right.
Oo. So, ano lang, wag lang maging butas siguro para pumasok dun yung ayaw na mag-aral, di ba?
Right.
Lalabas na lang siya using that route. So I mean, siguro kailangan bantayan natin yun. Pero definitely in terms of giving more pathways, I think the thinking of the House there is on the right track.
And then one of the promises actually of K-12 was for the senior high school graduates to get employed immediately after senior high school. Siguro sa part ng DepEd, clear na yun yung goal. But industry-wise, parang hindi, di ba? Kasi may mga study, of course, there has been like a PBED study, PIDS study, na parang mas preferred pa rin ng mga industry natin. Of course, yung college graduate, ang mga i-employ nila.
Yes,
may nangyayari ba na coordination ngayon, or at least have you been talking to industry leaders, please hire our senior high school? May mga ganun ba?
Yes, madami. In fact, we signed a memorandum with over yung P Corp, that's the part of the PSAC, Private Sector Advisory Council. Andun si Presidente at andun yung mga representatives of the big industry associations, Philippine Chamber of Commerce, IBPAP, that's the IT-BPO Association, na dadagdagan namin yung work experience. Para it's for industry to know the potential employees better. Kasi sa ngayon, parang 80 to 180 or 200 hours tayo. They want to go up to I think to 600 hours, kung di ako nagkakamali. No? So, okay naman yun dahil pabor din sa bata yun.
Right.
Dahil dun sa bata, he will learn more in that time. That's why, that's another good thing about decongesting the senior high school curriculum. Pag binawasan mo ng subject yan, mas maraming oras yung bata para mag-work immersion. Again, these are things that we're giving them the option to do. Kung papunta na siyang college track, it's up to him kung pwede siyang mamili na magtrabaho siya sa isang kumpanya o mag-capstone project siya, meaning parang thesis or practical application ng natutunan niya. These are options that we're going to give to the students. So.